Days after he dumped the BJP to make a comeback in Trinamool Congress, Mukul Roy is at the centre of a major political storm. Roy has been appointed chairman of Public Accounts Committee in West Bengal Assembly, a decision evoking strong criticism from the BJP. Bengal's leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, staged a walkout from the house while raising slogans against this decision. Constitutionally, Mukul Roy is still a BJP MLA and has not resigned from that post. Since the leader from the opposition is usually made the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee, TMC played a masterstroke and made Roy PAC chairman. Adhikari accused the ruling TMC of violating norms while announcing Roy as PAC chairman. Meanwhile, BJP had nominated Ashok Lahiri, former chief economic advisor to the centre, for the post and demanded Roy be booked under anti-defection law.
আর মুকুল রায়ের ক্ষেত্রে লিডার অফ অপোজিশন হিসেবে বিজেপি পরিষদীয় দলের নেতা হিসেবে 64 পৃষ্ঠা তথ্য প্রমাণ সমৃদ্ধ অভিযোগ আমি মাননীয় অধ্যক্ষের কাছে করেছি। আগামী 16 তারিখ দুটোর সময় তিনি হিয়ারিং এ ডেকেছেন। আমি আমার তথ্য প্রমাণের বা অভিযোগের সমর্থনে স্পিকারের শুনানিতে থাকব। তারপরে যেখানে গেলে সুবিচার পাওয়া যাবে সেই বিচার ব্যবস্থার দ্বারস্থ হওয়ার সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছে ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি পরিষদীয় দল। মুকুল রায়কে পিএসসি কমিটির চেয়ারম্যান মাননীয় অধ্যক্ষ তার ক্ষমতা বলে করেছেন, पुराना समस्त रीति नीति ऐतिह्य भेंगे।
पीएससी जो है असेंबली कमेटी है, असेंबली कमेटी भी 20 सदस्यों का होता है। पीएससी जो कमेटी होता है और इसमें प्रोपोर्शनली 14 सदस्य शासक दल का है और 6 विरोधी दल का है और 6 हम लोगों में ने जो नाम दिया है उस 6 में मुकुल राय का नाम नहीं है। किस प्रकार से उन्होंने नॉमिनेशन किया, किसने उनका प्रोपोजर किया, किसने सेकेंडर किया, ये सभी टीएमसी के लोग हैं। ये हम लोगों ने नाम नहीं दिया है।
Suryagini Roy reporting from Kolkata is now joining us. Suryagini, what's going on? The BJP is accusing TMC of violating the norms at the moment. Can one call this Mamta's masterstroke? Is this constitutionally correct? What's happening right there?
Well, that is the biggest question right now, Jyoti, that is it constitutionally allowed? Because usually we have seen the chairperson or the chairman of a public accounts committee is generally from the opposition parties. Now, that is what Shubhendu Adhikari is raking up once again. Mukul Roy, when he was elected to the Legislative Assembly, he was elected on a BJP ticket, not on a Trinamool ticket. We need to understand that. And Mukul Roy, after being elected on a ticket of BJP, he left the BJP and joined along with his son, in front of Mamta Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee. Technically, the question that arises over here is whether right now, although he's a member of the Trinamool Congress, but he was elected as a BJP representative. So this is what Shubhendu Adhikari is claiming. On the 16th of this month, of the 16th of July, Shubhendu Adhikari has a meeting with the speaker on this particular issue. Shubhendu has stated time and again that he has written to the speaker. What Shubhendu is trying to, state is that if a solution does not come out on the Mukul Roy scenario, the anti-defection law issue, by the 16th or maybe a few more days, then he might go to court to settle down this particular issue. Now, we need to understand that Mukul Roy was one of the heavyweight leaders of the BJP over here in West Bengal, and he leaving for the Trinamool has been a bigger blow. So this is a sort of, getting back to him, trying to, level scores with him. But constitutionally, is it allowed that whether a person from the current government is made the head of the Public Accounts Committee or not? That is the biggest question right now. Back to you, Jyoti.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details on the story.